Well, good afternoon, friends. I hope all you guys are having an awesome, fantastic day. Today we're starting things off at Disney's Hollywood Studios because we have a lot, and I mean a lot, of fast passes to use from this week's media events. So we gotta use them. Today's the last day. So we're starting things off here at Hollywood Studios, and then we're gonna be making our way over to Disney's Animal Kingdom. Bianca is with me. It's gonna be her first time on Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, and we're just gonna see how many things we can do with these fast passes. So I hope you guys are ready because I am. Let's go do this. The only ride we cannot ride today is, of course, Rise of the Resistance. Our first ride of the day, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, is currently 105 minutes. When you do have a fast pass for Runaway Railway, you get to skip the entire line and you get put right into the pre-show area. Are you ready?
I am so ready.
How excited are you?
I'm very excited.
I have some leftover footage from my media day when I was here of the camera facing me, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that footage in now. What did you think?
I loved it. I thought it was such a cute ride.
It's very cute.
Yeah.
Now the song will be stuck in your head.
All day. Very catchy.
Next up, Tower of Terror. Babe, I think I need this robe.
I know, it's really nice.
It's really cool, very soft. Next up, Slinky Dog Dash. If you guys know what this Easter egg means on Slinky Dog, let me know down in the comments. We get to go on it again thanks to the really kind, sweet cast member. I definitely did not want to waste these fast passes, so thank you again, Disney, for giving me the fast passes. I'm having such a fun day with Bianca and friends. We're really enjoying it, but I think that's gonna do it from Hollywood Studios. We're gonna jump in the car and head to Disney's Animal Kingdom. Here's a look at the Star Wars Hotel. It is coming along. I still have a lot of work to do. And there's the back of Galaxy's Edge. We have made it to Disney's Animal Kingdom, and I must say, I think I'm starting to love this park more than Epcot, and you guys know how much I love Epcot, but something just about Animal Kingdom really makes us very excited to be here. Bianca has been making me watch Fairy Tale Weddings on Disney Plus.
Yep.
And you know it's a girly show, but then she suckered me in, and I love Disney Fairy Tale Weddings now. And actually, we watched one and they got married in front of the Tree of Life, and then one inside Pandora.
It was amazing.
I fell in love with that. Yeah. That was like so beautiful. Yeah. If you guys haven't watched Fairy Tale Weddings on Disney Plus,
yeah,
do it.
Take a look.
Oh my goodness, look at the Baby Yoda hat. Whoa. Kevin, hello. Good to see you again, bud. That is so cool. Wow, thank you. Bye-bye. Well, I wanted to ride Dinosaur, but it is down at the moment. It's been happening a lot with Dinosaur. I don't know what's going on. Hopefully it will reopen by the end of the night, because I love Dinosaur. I mean, who doesn't? We just had some lunch. I will say, here at Animal Kingdom, Harambe House is my favorite Club 33 out of the 4 parks. So beautiful in there. So now we're gonna head to the safari and we're gonna have a ride. Oh my goodness, look at this windbreaker. It has the African Mickey on there. I love that. Just got done with the safari. That was really cool getting to see the giraffes that close and see them run across the walkway. That was nice. Next up, let's go ride Flight of Passage. You know, it's not every day we get to do Flight of Passage. Are you ready?
I'm excited. Well, that's what I always say though.
I mean, we are excited.
We are excited, we're pumped.
When you guys ride this, always ask if you can ride higher, because you get the better experience, the ultimate experience when you're the highest level.
In the middle too.
Right in the
It
middle.
has to be in the middle. If you're on this side, it looks a little disoriented.
Yeah.
Screen.
Just like Soarin'.
Yeah.
And here we go. We're going all the way up to the highest level. We got it all to ourselves for now.
To something called an avatar, and I'm here to help you guys get ready. But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites.
You're all clear.
Great.
Wait until you're seated before you put on your flight visors. Hold on to the hand grips as shown. It's important to hold on to the hand grips at all times. After you're seated, back and leg restraints will be firmly engaged.
Here we go. This video is sponsored by Mickeytravels. If you're looking to book your next Disney vacation, go get your free quote today from Mickeytravels.com, as they never charge you anything to book your next Disney vacation, and they are one of the select few travel agencies in the world that are platinum earmarked by Disney themselves. Go visit my friends down in the description, click on the link for your next Disney vacation. That ride is intense.
Yeah.
When you're in the very top row. Really good experience. Again, they don't want you filming on that ride, and we like to follow the rules. Next up, Navi River Journey. She's not out. We have the screen today. That ride is not the same without the big animatronic. Not the same. Still fun, but not the same. With everything that's going on with the coronavirus, Disney has placed these Purcell automatic dispensers throughout the park. I believe Bianca just found some new Minnie Mouse ears. So pretty cool. Next up, Expedition Everest. Just rode Everest, always fun. we just checked the My Disney Experience app and Dinosaur is back open. So we're gonna run over there and ride Dinosaur. I've been waiting all day to ride Dinosaur. Apparently, the ride is closed. I guess they close an hour before the park closes, but there's still people and I'm confused. I'm a little disappointed because I wanted to ride Dinosaur all day today. I have some more bad news. We were a little too late because we want to try the mint chocolate ice cream sandwich for St. Patty's Day, but they have already closed for the day. We're not having any luck today. What the heck?
Off to Epcot we go.
Yeah, let's go to Epcot to close out the night.
Yeah.
Like, what happened to the parks being open to like 10, 11 p.m.? Very weird. I'm disappointed we did not get to ride Dinosaur. Bianca is disappointed she did not get ice cream. But you know what? We'll find something good to eat at Epcot. Yeah. How about that? Yeah. I'm seeing more and more of these things. Voila. Do they work?
It works.
Oh, good.
A little bit.
We've made it to Epcot. It is such a beautiful night. Feels really good. All right, let's get over to Test Track. It just reopened a few days ago. I'm so happy this ride is back open. Ooh, is this car new? Looks like it. They've added a few new things in the queue. We have walked almost 17,000 steps today. Almost 9 miles. That's a lot.
Connecting to OnStar.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active.
Oh, it's so cold. Smile, guys. Oh, it's so cold. Look at your hair. I've missed Test Track. I'm glad it's back. I noticed some new lighting effects, which was pretty cool. We have a little bit of money left over on the gift card, so we stopped at the Honey Bistro to get the honey cheesecake. This is one of my all-time favorites from this festival. Looks delicious. Let's dig in. Well, I totally forgot to do an outro, so let's do it now. Well, that was a really fun day. I believe we rode 9 Disney attractions yesterday using fast passes. I am worn out. I believe we were in the park for 11 hours yesterday. I can't remember the last time. Well, I can remember Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. I was in the park for a while, but yesterday I was doing a lot of walking around. We went to Animal Kingdom, Hollywood Studios, and Epcot, and 3 of those parks equals to 1 day at Magic Kingdom. You know, it's not every day you get to ride that many rides back to back to back to back. I do have an extra pair of these Epcot Mickey Mouse World Showcase ear hats. So if you guys want these, go ahead, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, like this video, and just leave a comment. And tomorrow, I'll randomly select one of you guys, and I'll send these right to you. Make sure you guys follow me along on Instagram. And if you guys want to help support the channel, please check out my Patreon and PayPal, links down below. Also, if you guys want a Prince Charming Dev t-shirt, as I have a new logo coming out, be sure to check out that link down in the description as well. As far as now, I love you guys so much. It's nice to be nice, and YouTube, I'll see you guys in the next video. Prince Charming.
I'm feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, were those gonna lift me up this time? You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from your eyes?